Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my favorite pair of shoes ever. If you don't have a pair of Birkenstocks, let me just tell you, you're seriously missing out on the most comfortable shoe that looks cute. And I personally have them in like this copper color. I love that the metallic look literally goes with any kind of outfit, any color. I don't have to worry about like a color combination because these literally go with everything. I've had these for like a year and I love them. I literally wear them like at least twice a week. I love these for like going to my spinning classes, running errands, going to school. They're just super comfortable, and I guarantee you once you get a pair of Birkenstocks, you never go back. They're just like the most comfortable thing ever to just sled them on and you're ready to go. You don't need to like tie your shoelaces or like velcro something. And this is one of the investments I've made this year that I definitely do not regret. And I feel like this pair is gonna last me like a long time because I love the quality of Birkenstocks. It's a very unique and cool brand that makes this kind of shoes, and I really trust the materials they make out the Birkenstocks out with. And they have a few different styles. I personally love the classic style, but I feel like they have a style for everyone and a color for everyone. So yeah, this is your sign to get a pair of Birkenstocks if you don't already have one, or get a different kind of color. Like, they're super fun. I'm definitely planning on getting another pair. And yeah, I just wanted to talk about literally my favorite pair of shoes. Super comfortable, super quick and easy to put on and off. They're great for the beach as well. And yeah, just literally the best, most comfortable, easy to put on pair of shoes. Literally just get them and thank me later.